Are Geminis rich or poor? It's a question that pops up surprisingly often, especially in the world of astrology. We see these memes, these jokes, these blanket statements about Geminis being either rolling in dough or perpetually broke. But is there any truth to it? Is there something inherent in the Gemini personality, as described by astrology, that predisposes them to financial success or struggle? That's what we're diving into today. Now, before we get started, let's make one thing absolutely clear. Astrology is a belief system, a symbolic language. It's not a scientifically proven predictor of anything, least of all financial status. We're going to explore this topic through the lens of astrological archetypes, understanding that these are just general tendencies, not hard and fast rules. Your individual financial situation depends on a multitude of factors: your upbringing, your education, your work ethic, the opportunities you've had, and frankly, a bit of luck. So, take everything we discuss with a grain of salt, and remember that you, ultimately, are the architect of your own financial destiny. So, back to the question, are Geminis rich or poor? The short answer is neither. There's no astrological sign that guarantees wealth or poverty. However, we can explore some of the typical Gemini traits and how they might influence their relationship with money. Geminis are often described as adaptable, communicative, and intellectually curious. They're known for their quick wit, their love of learning, and their ability to connect with a wide range of people. These qualities can be a real asset when it comes to finances. Think about it. Adaptability can help you navigate changing economic climates. Strong communication skills are essential for networking, negotiating deals, and building relationships, all of which can contribute to financial success. And intellectual curiosity? That can lead you down paths of innovation, entrepreneurship, and finding creative solutions to financial challenges. On the other hand, some Gemini traits might present challenges. Geminis can sometimes be indecisive, impulsive, and easily bored. These tendencies, if not managed, could lead to financial instability. Indecisiveness might make it hard to commit to a long-term financial plan. Impulsiveness could lead to overspending or risky investments. And boredom? That might cause a Gemini to jump from job to job, hindering their career progression and potentially impacting their earning potential. Another thing to consider is the Gemini's relationship with material possessions. While some Geminis might enjoy the finer things in life, others might be more focused on experiences and intellectual pursuits. They might not be as attached to material wealth as some other signs. This doesn't necessarily mean they're poor, but it could mean that their priorities lie elsewhere. They might be perfectly happy with a comfortable lifestyle, even if they're not accumulating vast fortunes. Now, let's talk about some specific ways these Gemini traits might manifest in the financial realm. A Gemini might excel in careers that involve communication, such as sales, marketing, journalism, or public speaking. Their adaptability could make them successful entrepreneurs, able to pivot and adjust to market demands. Their intellectual curiosity might lead them to invest in innovative companies or explore new financial technologies. However, a Gemini might also struggle with budgeting and saving. Their impulsive nature could lead them to make spontaneous purchases without thinking things through. Their tendency to get bored easily might make it difficult for them to stick to a long-term financial plan. They might need to work consciously on developing discipline and focus when it comes to managing their finances. It's also important to remember that every individual is different, even within the same astrological sign. Your sun sign is just one piece of the puzzle. Your moon sign, your rising sign, and the placements of other planets in your birth chart can all influence your personality and your relationship with money. For example, a Gemini with a Capricorn moon might be more disciplined and financially responsible than a Gemini with a Sagittarius moon. Astrology is complex, and it's important to look at the whole picture before making any generalizations. So, what's the takeaway? Are Geminis destined to be rich or poor? Absolutely not. Their astrological traits can influence their financial behavior, but they don't determine it. Geminis, like any other sign, have the potential to achieve financial success. It all comes down to self-awareness, discipline, and making conscious choices. If a Gemini can harness their strengths, their adaptability, their communication skills, their intellectual curiosity, and manage their weaknesses, their impulsiveness, their indecisiveness, their tendency to get bored, they can absolutely thrive financially. Ultimately, your financial situation is in your own hands. Whether you're a Gemini, a Taurus, or a Pisces, your success depends on your actions, your choices, and your commitment to your financial goals. Astrology can be a fun and interesting tool for self-reflection, but it's not a substitute for hard work, smart planning, and a bit of good fortune. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.